Shahi Paneer. Hi, hello, welcome to the recipes. I am Cashews. It's a lovely session of Shahi Paneer. Shahi Paneer means the royal paneer. So Shahi is royal. So what we are going to do is, how we are going to make this normal paneer dish into a royal paneer. It's going to be very simple and very tasty. So let's do this lovely Shahi Paneer. So first let's heat some oil in a pan. Here I have soaked the almonds and cashews in warm water. Now here we have the sunflower seeds. This also we shall soak it in warm water. Here there is one important step. We should see that they do not change the color. They should not turn dark. So keep sauteing them for 2 minutes until they become little soft. Now here to the onions, let me add the ginger and small piece of garlic. Now before adding green chilies, let me tell you one point, that this chili will depend on the spicy level what we require for our family. So I am adding 3 to 4. Depends. If you don't feel so much of hot or spicy thing is required, you can reduce the number of chilies to 2. Now let's add the tomatoes. Now see, it's cooked. So let's leave it to cool and then we will run it into the mixer jar. Let's keep a cook pot or a pan here. Add some oil or ghee to this. So let's give a mild roast to the paneer. See, this paneer can be added straight away to the dish. It need not be fried actually. But why we are frying is so that the softness of the paneer can be retained for a longer time. Because at home what we do is we cook in the afternoon, we might take it even in the evening or night. So it will be just like that. So to retain the softness for a longer period, we are giving it a slight fry. So here we have given a slight fry to the paneer. Let's remove it and keep it aside. Now if you like raisins, you can add some raisins to this. I have not mentioned about this because it depends. If you like, you can have it. Otherwise, the sweet taste, if you don't like, you can totally avoid it. Now let's add some fennel seeds, cloves and all the other masala ingredients. Let's grind the cashew almond mixture and some sunflower seeds to fine paste. Have a look at this. It's really a fine paste. Here I am going to transfer this to the mixer jar. We have a fine paste of tomato and onion. Let's put this in the vessel. Here we have the coriander powder. Depends, you can taste it and see, and then if required you can add some chili powder. Now let's add some salt to this. I'm just rinsing the mixie jar and adding the water. Now let's allow this to boil for some time. Cover it and allow it to boil for some time, and then we can add the cashew paste. I'm adding chili powder. So here it's boiled. It's been boiling nicely. Let's add the cashew and almond gravy. Now after adding this badam and almond and cashew gravy, what will happen is they slightly become thick. So we can alter the consistency and bring it to a nice smooth gravy consistency. Now simmer the flame and let it boil for 5 minutes in slow flame, and then we'll add the paneer. So now after 5 minutes, this has thickened, started to boil. Let's add the paneer cubes. Now again, reduce the flame to low flame or simmer the stoves and then leave this paneer for 5 minutes so that they don't lose their shape and they don't get disintegrated if it's going to be in high flame. So cover it and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes and then there will be a lovely paneer ready. Now after 10 minutes, it's boiled in slow flame. So let's garnish it with some raisins, and because we have not added anything for much sour taste, like we have added just 2 tomatoes, so you can squeeze in half of a lemon. So to make it more rich, you can straight away add some cream or milk to this, but I have just avoided, it depends. on the taste. What you like, you can add some cream or milk to this. So here our Shahi Paneer goes to the serving dish. So dear friends, hope you enjoyed this session of making the lovely Shahi Paneer in a very simple and yet a delicious way. So do try this and keep us posted. Dosa Recipes is all about enhancing your taste buds. If you like this video, press like, subscribe with Dosa Recipes. Thank you and bye-bye.